Hello boys, and welcome back to another video in the cold ass garage. Here's the Civic, and here's my space heater. So today I need to change the oil on this car, and I need to also replace the fuel pump with the original fuel pump. If you saw in a couple of videos ago, I did replace the fuel pump with an upgraded fuel pump because I thought mine had gone out on me, but it didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the old one back in because the car does not need 255 liters per hour of fuel right now. It just needs the stock fuel spec. We can go ahead and throw that other fuel pump back in once the turbo kit arrives and once that's all installed. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the oil, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the fuel pump right after. Alright boys, I topped off the oil. I'm not gonna start the car just yet because I wanna just go ahead and do the fuel pump real quick, and once all that's done, then I'll start the car up, run the engine, see if the oil's correct, all that stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and just do the fuel pump right now. Alright boys, so I finished filling up the oil, finished changing the fuel pump. Now all that's left to do is to start the car, see if our oil level is correct. If it isn't, top it off. If it is, we're going to take her out for a little test drive, a little rip, see how she's feeling. And I'm pretty much done. Then I'm going to shoot guns. I think I might put that in this video, maybe. It's kind of an L when you forget to reconnect the positive terminal of the battery, or the negative terminal of the battery. Alright, let's check this oil level. It was right about in the middle, so we're pretty much perfect. Alright boys, let's go ahead and take her out for a rip and just see how she's feeling. Not going to beat on too hard, it's not really up to running temperature, but I just want to drive it around, make sure she's feeling good. Yeet. Alright boys, I'm out cruising this thing. So far, it's pretty smooth, pretty nice. Can't really notice any difference in anything at all whatsoever, so like, this wasn't a modification, obviously it was just an oil change, fuel pump change, but I guess the fuel pump change is a modification, but the car isn't like tuned any differently, so it's running pretty much exactly the same, it feels about the same, and we are about at running temperature, which means that I can actually rip it a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, boy, she feels strong, feels sturdy. She's running pretty good. She's definitely paid off, definitely worth it. Now I know that when the turbo kit comes in and everything, I'm gonna have to change the oil again anyway, but I just didn't really want to wait any longer. The oil was literally black, so it really needed a change. So yeah, I'm glad I got it done. And now I'm basically just gonna go get coffee and chill and do the rest of my day. And I pretty much got all my responsibilities done for today for the most part. So I hope this video was longer than like 2 minutes because I know it wasn't really a lot of content. But anyway, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you disliked this video, get the heck out of here. And as I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.